Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for Bed Bath & Beyond. And before I talk about the chart, the technicals, and the price action and what happening to the price, I just want to make it clear that there's a difference between an investment and a trade. An investment is when you're invested in the company and you know the company is going to grow and is going to give you dividends and you're going to make money off of it, through retirement, and you're going to go on forever and ever on that stock. However, the trade is like you trade daily or swing trade or however you want to do it, but you come out of that position when you are profitable. Okay, this stock right here, BBY, it's a trade for me. It's not an investment. Right now, it's like it was a meme stock, as we all know. Right now, it's everybody's laying off of it a little bit, but the short interest is still really high, which I'll show you in a minute. But I am trading this stock. I'm not invested in the company because financially the company's done. And soon enough, the way they raised that $1 billion to come out of the bankruptcy, which they got $225 million recently, is through equity offering. Okay, what are they offering? They're offering 95 million common stock warrant. What warrant is? A company like Hudson Bay, who's a counterparty who gave them the cash, will be getting 95 million common stock shares. Okay, when they exercise the warrant, if you have, for example, 105 million shares outstanding, you add 95 to it, you have 200 million shares outstanding. You know what's going to happen to the price? It's like you have a pizza, right? Or let's say you have a candy bar and you have two people and you have to split between two people. You both get 50-50, but you still have a candy bar and you added 4 more people. Now you all get 25% of the candy, which is a lot less. So once you add more shares to outstanding, your price dilutes. It goes down. Okay, unless they get their act together and reorganize and be profitable again to $35, $38, and then I can say, okay, you know what, maybe company has some potential. But right now, they're closing out more stores. I don't think the company is going anywhere. With that being said, let's move on to the short interest. Right now, as of today, the short interest is 58%. This is what we are feeding off of, okay, as a trader, because we want to catch a momentum. When the short interest is that high, a little bit of a manipulation can pump up the price really good. Okay. And there's also a lot of people leaving comments saying that, 2, 3 cents, 4 cents is not a pump. Well, it depends on how much money you're spending in there. If you're spending only $100, granted, yes, that 3 cents is not going to do much. But if you have 20,000 shares or 30,000 shares, that actually adds up to a lot of, it's a good amount, $600, $400, $500, depending on how many shares we have purchased. But let's take a look. Okay, if there's a momentum, it's gonna carry, because there's a short interest is so high because the people that are shorting the stock would have to cover their shorts, which eventually will push the price even further higher. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. We're looking for that short squeeze. Okay, yesterday I made a video talk about this level was very crucial, $1.60. It crossed that level, went out the way up to $1.65. Then it was shot back down. One thing you got to understand, that this stock is driven off of manipulation right now. There's no financial catalyst that will tell you that, okay, the stock is going to go to that level. So what you're looking for is the daily manipulation. This is why I'm making these daily videos, to let you guys know that how the stock is doing. And I try to release these videos early so you guys could catch a momentum, or as I have been advising, that take a look at the stock at 9:30 when you log into your broker's app. Take a look and see how the stock is doing, how the pre-market was. And if you catch a momentum, let's make that money. You know what I mean? Like, it's not a financial advice, but something that I think we should actually make a habit of, checking our apps at 9:30 and making sure that, if there's a momentum, catch it, make quick money and come out of the position, right? So there are a couple of levels here. Demand level, $1.42. Of course, it could come down to this and bounce back off of that. Right now, it did not even come to that level. So again, there's a supply level, $1.51. A lot of sellers sitting here trying to make profit. There's a seller sitting here, $1.60, $1.68. So these are the levels on a regular day. But when there's a pump or there's a squeeze or there's a manipulation, then these levels really don't mean anything. Then you want to go with the flow. Hope that makes it clear. Hope you guys are liking these videos. If you're not subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.